So last month I had to replace the expansion vessel from the central heating system because, well, as you can hear from this clip, it was full with water. But it is kind of strange that when I was tapping the vessel I could still hear two different sound tones. So I'm going to open this thing up and have a look inside, because I expect there might be some kind of bladder inside here. But I don't know, I never looked in one of these things. I think the easiest thing for me to do is use the angle grinder and cut off this strip that holds both pieces together. Here we go. Well, this is going to take a while. No point recording all of this. I need to cut rather deep into this strip, and at some point I was hitting the rubber membrane and that kinda stank up the place. It is taking a lot longer than I expected. You see? Smoke. Stinking smoke. But I'll get this done off camera. I'll probably have to go outside for a while. So I took the vessel outside, where it is rather windy today because there's a storm going on. And as you can see, I cut around the whole circumference. Although I didn't completely grind through this part, but I don't think that will be a problem. No, no problem. These gloves do not give me the best protection against splinters. And I've just been digging out a couple of wood splinters. Damn gravity. Alright, now let's split open this egg. And that's the top part. And that's the bottom half. And I guess that's the bladder, and this must have been causing the sound difference. And this one has a preload of half a bar, and the replacement one that I installed has 2 bars, or 1 bar. 1 bar of preload. And this vessel was placed on the ground floor at ground level on this plastic piece. There must be something underneath it. Let's have a look. Huh, that's a bicycle valve. Oh no, it's a car valve. But some bicycles use these. So I had a closer look at this rubber membrane, and to my untrained eye this still looks very good. It's still very subtle. It's not dried out or hardened up or anything like that. And I guess underneath this rubber, that's where the preload charge sits. And you can probably change the preload with a bicycle pump, or at least a pump for a mountain bike front fork, because it does look like the same valve. Anyway, I learned something. Not a lot, but now I know how these things look inside. I guess that's something. Anyway, like, subscribe, yada yada yada, and to be continued.